What it do, CEEFAM? It's your boy C-Will. We back at it, bro, with another slight video, man. Look, yo, I'm sorry I've been gone, man, for so long, man. There's been so much stuff behind the scenes that y'all don't know about, stuff that I'm doing. Here's this video. All right, y'all. So look, in this video, man, we just gonna be talking about renting this car out, y'all, on Turo. All right, I've never seen somebody else make a video like this as far as like renting their Charger Hellcat Redeye on Turo. Y'all might be like, man, this is unheard of. Why would he do this? I would never let somebody drive my car. That's because y'all are emotionally attached to your cars. I'm not emotionally attached to this car no more, y'all. I look at this car as an asset, right? You gotta let your assets make more money for you. You know, whenever I first got this car, y'all, I did feel like, man, I'm never letting nobody drive this car. It's gonna stay parked. I'm not saying I'm gonna barely drive it, but you know, I'm gonna keep the miles low and this and that. I still believe in keeping the miles low, right? But with that being said, y'all, I just want to show y'all, I guess, the process, right? I didn't get any footage, I guess, of me dropping the car off to the renter, right, the person that booked this car, but I did end up getting like a little bit of footage, I guess, me and the Lyft going to pick the car up. The guy, he didn't really want me to put his face in the video or anything like that. I didn't really get any footage, I guess, of me getting the car, talking to him about the experience and all that, y'all. But I'm gonna show you how much I made off of this trip. So yeah, look, stay tuned, man. I hope y'all enjoy the video, man. It's your boy C-Will. Y'all new to the channel, make sure y'all like, subscribe, comment, all that good stuff, right? Let's get to it, man.
Yeah, this is a pretty upscale here.
Yeah, definitely upscale, man. You see the houses, man. Not just anybody can, you know, rent a Dodge Charger Hellcat. I guess you gotta have some kind of money, brother. And as you can see, people here got some kind of money, man. So it's crazy, man. Jeez, Uber, man, Uber. All right, CEEFAM, so we just now picked the car up, y'all. The car still looks good, man. Like I said, this is the first time I ever rented the car out on Turo, y'all. Y'all see the big houses in the back, man. Shout out to my guy Mark. He was the first person to ever rent the wide body out, man, the Redeye out, y'all. Some of y'all may be thinking, man, why would you rent out your Redeye? Why blah blah blah? I would never let nobody drive my car. Woo woo woo. Y'all, to be honest, I only feel good in a car whenever I'm in a car, right? Like, you know that feeling like whenever you first get a brand new car, you like, man, I'm never letting nobody drive it. Man, this mine, this blah, 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 blah. Y'all, and look, I totally understand that, right? I had that feeling, y'all, for the first month or two. You know, after that, y'all, it's like, man, I only feel good inside the car whenever I'm inside the car, y'all. If I'm not inside the car, bro, like, I just feel like, oh, I just have a Redeye. It's regular, it's normal, right? I feel like your car is supposed to make money for you, all right? I'm trying to get more money out of this car than I'm putting in it, right? You know, any amount that can go towards the car payment, man, that's what I'm on, y'all. Now, like I said, that's just me. That's what I believe. That's what I feel, you know. So yeah, man, like, not just anybody can rent this kind of car. As y'all can see, you know, hence the houses that's around here, man. Like, houses are crazy, y'all. Crazy, man. But yeah, we gonna hop in the car, man. We gonna talk a little bit, I guess, like, about the experience. Why am I renting my car out on Turo, right? What made me do it? Yeah, there's just a lot of stuff, y'all, that's been going on that y'all not really put onto yet, you know. So as y'all can see, man, he did vacuum the car out for me. He didn't have to, so, you know, kudos to my guy Mark. I'm not gonna say no last names, right? I was gonna record, I guess, like, the experience, y'all, that he had in the car, right? But he said, you know, like, for security purposes, he didn't really want to be in the video, which I can understand, y'all, you know, for sure. I wasn't gonna put his address or nothing like that in it, you know. So, but yeah, man, it was a good experience though, y'all. I definitely enjoyed, like, the experience. I definitely enjoyed the interaction with him. I definitely enjoyed, you know, getting to know him, man, personally and all that, bro. So he definitely enjoyed the car. His kids enjoyed the car, you know. He even took his neighbor for a ride, he said, you know. So that's that says a lot. Yeah, that definitely says a lot, y'all. So all right, y'all, so let's talk about how much did we make, all right, on the Dodge Charger Redeye in 2 days, all right, 2-day trip. All right, so we have it listed on Turo, right? Turo, for the people that's not familiar. Turo is like a rental car app, all right? You can just list your car on there for free, right? All you need is a license, sign up, put your car on there. You can set your own prices and everything, all right? It's a good app. I'm not sponsored by Turo. I'm just trying to put y'all on game, you know, trying to make some more money. All right, y'all, so we ended up listing our car on there, y'all, for $166 a day. All right, y'all, some people may think it's high, some people may think it's low, blah, blah, blah. Oh, you listing it for too low. Y'all, every market is different. If I was in Miami, oh, that bit was, I don't know, probably like $300-400 a day, you hear me? And that's on the low end, probably. If I was in Vegas or something, oh yeah, like $400-500 a day. But Colorado Springs, it's a tourist area all year round, y'all. People don't come here to gamble. People, you know what I'm saying, people come here for a vacation, but at the same time you got to be reasonable. So what I did, I ended up checking the market, seeing what other cars were listed around my car's bracket, right? Tesla Model X, maybe, you know, like around the same price range as my car, you know, and they were listing theirs for $2 something, blah blah blah. So it's all about supply and demand, right? If you have a good price, people are gonna book your stuff regardless, right? So me, I'm like, okay, you know what, let me just try out the market. So we ended up listing it, y'all, for $166 a day. All right, that came out, well, shout out Mark. I'm not gonna say his last name, not like that. I didn't really get too much footage recording him because he basically said he didn't want to, you know what I'm saying, for security purposes and all that. I'll say, okay, cool. So that's fine. You know, he was the first one to book this car. So we listed it, y'all, for $166 a day. He ended up renting it out for 2 days. We ended up making $332 off of that. All right, y'all. I ended up charging a $80 delivery fee, right? That's me going to him and picking the car up, right? Me dropping it off and picking the car up, right? And I had to pay for a Uber to go back home whenever I dropped the car off to him, and I also had to get another Uber or Lyft to go pick the car back up. All right, y'all. So I'm not just charging delivery fee and blah blah blah. No, like I have to find a way to get back, you know. So yeah, I ended up charging that. So that was $80. So what, $332 on top of 80, that's like what, $412, right? And then all of a sudden, y'all, Turo, they gonna try to come take their fee out of it. It is what it is. So I think they ended up taking $91, y'all. They almost took, like, man, they almost took $100, y'all, off. All right, y'all, which is the craziest thing ever. So overall, y'all, I should have made in total $412 off of 2 days. All right, $412 off of 2 days, y'all. But $412 minus that 91, y'all, I think I only made like $312 or 3 something. All right, and to me, y'all, that's really good. That's like outstanding to say all I have to do is drop a car off and then go pick it back up, and I made $312 in 2 days. Come on, man. Like, anything that can go towards your car payment, right, is gonna help you. I'm not saying, oh, I can't afford the Redeye, I can't. No, but if the money's there, if the opportunity presents itself, why not take it? All right, some of y'all not gonna make no money. Some of y'all can't really relate to this because y'all have an emotional attachment to the car. Like I said, I did, you know what I mean? But if the car is just sitting here and it's not making me no bread, what is it doing, right? If I'm putting more money into the car than the car is making back for me, what am I doing for the car? What is that doing for me financially, right? I'm not gonna sit here and be in the hole. I'm not saying I ever was in the hole, right? I'm not saying that, but I mean, if there's an opportunity to make more money, y'all, why not take it? You know, like I said, some of y'all are emotionally attached to your car. Man, I'd never let nobody drive my car. I never, you know, blah blah blah. What if they wreck it? Okay, y'all, like, what if they wreck it? Like, Turo provides insurance through their actual app, Liberty Mutual, right? So I'm not too concerned, man. Like, not just anybody can rent this car out, right? You have to have some kind of revenue behind you. Got to have some money behind you. Yeah, you can save up $166 or blah blah blah, like, that's fine. But all I know, I ended up raising the price on it too, y'all. So I went from 166 to like 200 now, 200 a day. So we'll see how the market is. You got to adjust your prices according to the market, you know. So yeah, y'all, in total we ended up making $412 minus Turo's $91 fee, right? So that took us down to, I think, what, $312, whatever. Like, I'm gonna put the screenshot up just so y'all can see the fees and how Turo calculates things, you know. But yeah, shout out to my guy Mark, man. He has a beautiful family. His sons really enjoyed the car, man. He definitely took care of the car. He vacuumed the car out for me. I didn't expect the car to be clean because it literally rained all weekend, y'all. From the 31st until today, or the 30th till today, whatever, from Friday to Sunday, it rained all day. So I didn't expect him to clean the car. He didn't have to. I didn't expect him to, you know what I mean, do anything pertaining to the car. It's my duty of the host, I guess, to like make sure the car is clean for the next person, or, you know, it is what it is. So yeah, like I said, he was my first booking, y'all. I just wanted to let y'all know my experience, man. I had a really great experience. He gave me a 5-star review, which I definitely appreciate that so much, man. That helps me for future bookings, right? So yeah, y'all, like I said, there's a lot of stuff going on behind the scenes y'all don't know about, man. I haven't posted a video, y'all, in 2 weeks. I'm not saying I'm a transfer, I guess, my content from Dodge Charger or Charger content to straight Turo content, but I am gonna be putting up some Turo videos, man, just to give y'all my experience, just to show y'all the way, provide y'all another avenue of revenue. Yeah, you know what I'm saying? There's always money to be made, y'all. It's just certain people got to put y'all on. I tell people about Turo all the time now, and they like, man, I never knew about it, man, I never blah blah blah. So it's crazy, man. We do have a Jeep too. We have a 2018 Cherokee Jeep, or Jeep Compass. Yeah, 2018 Jeep Compass, y'all, that we added. You know, see, so that's what I'm saying. I've been doing stuff behind the scenes. We got our Dart. We got the Jeep Compass Limited with the big panoramic sunroof mook. Yeah, we got all that. So yeah, y'all, look, it's been a lot of stuff that's been happening behind the scenes that y'all don't know about, man, for sure. But I'm gonna just give y'all a little walk around the car, man, because it's hot up in here. Boy, sweating, you heard me, got the fresh cut, yeah, all that, man. So look, y'all stay tuned, man. I appreciate y'all for stopping in, listening. I hope y'all listen to all this that I said. All right, don't get emotionally attached to your cars. Well, y'all can, but you know, I don't know, me, I feel like I'm emotionally attached to it, but I'm not. You know, it's like, it's a Redeye, cool, cars come and go, right? I don't know how long I'm gonna have this car for, right? So why not let it make money for me, right? So yeah, let's get to it, man. But yeah, y'all, I was pretty skeptical, I guess, renting the car out, man, because, right, you never know. Man, are they gonna leave me with tire tread, right? Are they gonna mess up the car, man? And like I told my guy Mark, I was skeptical about, you know, renting the car out in general, whether it was to him or anybody. You know, he was like, yeah, man, I fully understand. You know, I would be skeptical too. So yeah, man, it's definitely a risk, y'all. Like I said, the car is dirty, but it's literally rained all weekend, man. And I didn't really have the car all weekend. Well, I didn't have it yesterday and Sunday. Ooh, they just scraped. Ay, ay, ay. But yeah, man, so it's a risk, y'all. But as y'all can see, we $300 something richer. It could have been $412 richer if it wasn't for the fees. Yeah, he left the car, man, pretty clean, you know, good condition. He definitely enjoyed the car, man. I'm not gonna say with his top speed, he said he went in it. I mean, you don't rent these cars, you don't get these cars, y'all, to baby them, right? You get them to go fast, you get them to do all that good stuff, man. So I expected him to go, I wanted him to go fast. Like, I encouraged him, man, look, you paying his money for it. Yeah, I want you to get your money's worth. He definitely got his money's worth. Didn't do no donuts, didn't do no, you know what I mean? None of that craziness, man. He seemed like a respectable, reputable guy, you know, just from his personality, his character, right? So yeah, man, like I said, y'all, it's definitely a risk. What if they wreck it? What if they do this? What if they do that, man? But like I said, I'm not emotionally attached to this car. I was whenever I first got it. Oh, nobody's gonna touch it or wash it 3 times a week. I'm gonna do this, I'm gonna do that. But over time, man, it's like I only feel good whenever I'm inside the car, y'all. Whenever I'm not, like right now, it's just sitting. I'm like, man, why is it sitting whenever it could be making money back for me, right? Like I said, any little amount like I can put to the payment, it's gonna help, man. Any little bit helps. All right, y'all, that's $300 something I could use for something else. That's $300 I could use for a mod. I could use for, you know, give more money to my daughter, right? Like, there's a lot of different stuff you can use that money for, y'all. Insurance, right? So any little thing can help, man. That's what I'm on, y'all. You know, I'm on this money train. I still got to make a video pertaining to the damn Jeep, right? So we got a Jeep, y'all. I ain't even give y'all a review of the Jeep yet. Y'all never even seen a Jeep. Make sure you follow me on Instagram, man. CEEFAM 23 baby. You know, let me give y'all this right here. Go follow me on Insta, man. Y'all gonna see the Jeep. I still gotta make a video of that. I gotta go pick that up tomorrow. I gotta, man, go get my damn Dodge Dart tonight. See, so money's coming in, man. The money is coming in, y'all. I promise y'all that. I just appreciate y'all for staying locked in, staying tuned. Definitely want to make some more Turo videos, man. My experience, how much I made, how much, you know what I mean, how much I made on my first trip. I want to do all that, y'all. So yeah, y'all new to the channel, man, make sure y'all like, subscribe, comment. You hear me? It's your boy C Will. I appreciate all my CEEFAM, man, the people that's been with me from the beginning, man. We had a Challenger V6. We had a Dart, actually, right? But I didn't start the channel with the Dart. Started with the Challenger V6. But yeah, look, man, I'll holler at y'all in the next video, baby.